What if the future of artificial intelligence isn't powered by electricity, but by light? Chinese scientists have just unveiled a new generation of optical AI chips that could completely change how machines process information. In specific AI tasks, these photonic chips are reportedly up to 100 times faster and far more energy efficient than NVIDIA's GPUs. And no, this isn't a small upgrade. This is a fundamentally different way of computing. One of the most impressive examples is a chip called ACCEL, developed by Tsinghua University in collaboration with SMIC. It uses a hybrid photonic analog architecture and delivers an astonishing 4.6 petaflops of performance while consuming extremely little power. Another chip, called LightGen, was developed by researchers from Shanghai Jiao Tong University and Tsinghua University and contains more than 2 million photonic neurons. In tasks like image generation, style transfer, noise reduction, and 3D processing, LightGen outperforms traditional chips by up to 100 times. These chips are not designed to fully replace GPUs. Instead, they are optimized for specific AI workloads where speed and energy efficiency matter most. But the implications are massive. If light-based computing continues to evolve, it could dramatically reduce the energy costs of AI, break current hardware limits, and challenge the dominance of traditional GPU giants. This breakthrough suggests that the future of AI acceleration may not be built on silicon alone, but on photons moving at the speed of light.